Our company has been successfully manufacturing pharmaceuticals in Dzierżynsk for 20 years. We follow the development of science in the field of pharmaceuticals. We analyze and implement new technologies. We constantly update our product line. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic line for self-adhesive labels. 5 years ago our plant became part of a large holding company for the production of medicines. The accession gave us the opportunity to increase our production capacity and modernize our equipment. Over the years of productive work we have been producing pills, vitamins, medicines in powders. For production we use modern machinery, which meets all international requirements for pharmaceutical equipment. It was decided to start modernization of production with high-tech machinery, equipment for the production of extracts of medicinal plants, apparatus for mixing and dragging of tablet masses, all welded reactor with frame mixers, and lower descents of the product. These units were in reserve and required urgent replacement, since their further use could adversely affect the quality of the product. On the recommendation of my colleagues, the first thing I did was to look at European manufacturers. I independently selected 2 companies that produce equipment for the production of extracts, one in Italy, the other in the Netherlands. After sending an email request to them, 3 days later I received a reply from the Italian company, who informed me that they would not be able to supply the machine in question due to the suspension of its production. I needed to start production in 6 months. We couldn't wait that long, so I turned down the offer. The other company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. In the end I came to the conclusion that I would not be able to choose the equipment for the production of extracts on my own, and decided to go to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give me complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment on our raw materials, tell me about the terms of delivery. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct resellers. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, so I decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. Having sent all requests via email, I still have not received a response from 2 companies. One company from Krasnoyarsk warned that they do not have their own adjuster, and all the procedure for installing the equipment must be done independently. This option did not suit me. The manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me a competent and constructive answers to my questions. I liked the business-like approach of the specialist. The specialist was polite, asked lots of clarifying questions about the characteristics of the extract, the required capacity of the equipment, what kind of operations should the machine perform. After a preliminary telephone consultation, the specialist suggested the equipment for the production of extracts, with automatic control via LCD screen. I coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we concluded a contract for the delivery of the selected machine. During the whole period of manufacturing, I received an email report about the readiness of my order. When the equipment for the production of extracts was manufactured, the manager sent a video showing a set of plants for the extraction of medicinal plants with an extraction chamber, auxiliary apparatuses for the extraction of the extract. The vapors of the extractant from the evaporation chamber, heated by a steam jacket, go to the distillation column, from where the volatile fraction moves to the deflagrator, where the condensation process takes place. My order was delivered within the time specified in the contract. The machine came without mechanical damage. The equipment was made of quality stainless steel. I was pleased with the result of the work done. Perhaps I would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the route of selecting the machine myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek help from a professional in selecting extract production equipment was the right one. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I'm pretty sure that such professionals work to keep us thinking that way.